Feeling drained doesn't validate compassion. It erodes sustainable connection. This is the brief on when integrated capacity defines empathy better than emotional overwhelm. So, global behavioral data from SDTEST actually shows that equating empathy with being completely exhausted is a mistake. True compassion requires what we call integrated capacity. First, let's decode the data in the turquoise shift. We're looking at 1,265 responses across 86 countries. In spiral dynamics, which maps human psychological development, the advanced, holistic turquoise stage shows a positive correlation of 0.1420 with strongly disagreeing that empathy means getting overwhelmed by tragedy. Now, this isn't detachment. Think of a lifeguard. If they drown in panic right alongside you, they aren't helping, right? That steady, grounded strength is integrated capacity, not an emotional flood. Second, let's unpack the empathy prediction gap. The word empathy literally means completely different things depending on your worldview. For example, the purple stage sees it as just mirroring feelings. Orange treats it as a functional capability, while green views it as relational harmony. So if a workplace or culture demands emotional flooding as proof of caring, what happens to the people practicing sustainable holistic compassion? Finally, the real-world operational consequence. When organizations treat emotional exhaustion as the ultimate proof of compassion, they literally erode their integrated capacity. Validating overwhelm leads directly to compassion fatigue, helper depletion, and burnout. When you measure care by the depth of someone's exhaustion, the whole support system eventually collapses. What happens when empathy validation targets the wrong definition?